So today I am headed into a few thrift stores and I'm looking for baby clothes. It's not something that I ever used to look for when I went to thrift stores, and I needed clothes for my kids, and it just occurred to me one day that I should be looking at their clothes. They have really nice stuff here. Some stuff with the tag still on, no stains, like got some good stuff. And the prices are good. So we're gonna go see what we can find for an 11-month-old that is in 18-month clothes. All right, I only ended up going to one store and found everything I was looking for. They had a pretty good selection. I tend to stay away from brighter colors, like big, bold pinks and yellows and whatever, just brighter colors. I did pick out one with a giraffe on it, and I normally don't do that, but I just thought it was cute. I thought she would like it, and my other kids like it too, so sometimes you compromise. So basically what I'm looking for, I'm not looking to spend a ton of money, but I am looking for some basics, almost like a capsule wardrobe, a very minimal capsule wardrobe. I'm looking for neutrals, and I'm looking for maybe a couple pieces that have a little design on them or a pattern, but mostly I'm looking for neutrals so that I can combine them all together. Look at this little bear. I know it's probably for a boy, but it's so cute. Okay, so this is what I came home with. I can mix and match several of them. I spent $23.92. One of the items was 88 cents and everything else was $2.88. This is so cute. And look at the little sparkly polka dots. This one I didn't get a picture of Lizzie in, but I really like the little bows and the little pink in the pants that matches with the top. Got two shirts, little ruffly edges, and the skirt, and then the little bear sweater. It's so cute. And then this little jean romper, I don't know what they're called, overall thingy. Little cute teddy bear. And this is Lizzie. She is 11 months old, and she would not do anything I asked her to do. So we were bribing her with sticky notes and her sister and toys. She's cute, and she liked all of her clothes. She actually seemed like she was asking to be changing them until the very last one, which I forgot to hit record on. So there's the sticky notes again. Anyway, I like them. I like that I can put all these different outfits together, and I think it was definitely worth it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.